What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about inverse chords, so let's get right into it. So essentially an inverse chord is a chord where the order of the notes are rearranged, okay? So even something like this. So we have an A minor chord right here, A, C, E. Even if we just took this C note and brought it up an octave, that is an inverse chord right there. And also change the sound of the chord. You can make them sound tighter or bigger with a lot more space. So for example, a chord like this where there's not much space between the notes would sound tighter if we listen to it. Now if I bring this C up and make it an inverse, see, it sounds a little bit bigger. Now any one of these notes you can make an inverse. So if I brought this up, that's an inverse. If I brought it down, that's an inverse. Same thing with this A. And it doesn't have to just be one note, and it doesn't have to just go up one or down one octave. It can go up or down a bunch of different octaves. All right. So for example, say we took A and C and we brought them both up here, but then we brought this C up even more. Then we also threw another C down here, put another A down here. This would be an inverse chord, but it's layered with a lot of the same notes. It just adds more to the chord. If we wanted to make an inverse chord of this E minor chord, do the same thing here. Then this G major chord, we can do the same thing as well with this A major chord too. See how much tighter this bars 5 through 8 sound compared to these ones that we did the inverse on? But keep that in mind. Inverse chords are really sauce. That's pretty much it though. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.